Guys, welcome back to my channel, Siddhi Dube. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to press notification. I know the light is not great because it's actually 8th of October and it's about 12 o'clock, and we have just made a beautiful surprise for my mom and daddy, and I'm gonna show you what, and I'm also gonna show you the reaction. So please wait for that. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see.
Birthday to you. Hello everyone. So yeah, it was yesterday's decoration, the tent one, and today's decoration is this. Of course, you'll get the beauty shots, and yeah, so we enjoyed and cut the cake, and that's it for my mom's birthday. It was not so much to vlog, but guys, just a minute, and just want to say thank you guys so much because for the last video, which was a short picnic trip or kind of whatever you want to say, was just insane. The wow, it was like wow, man. So we have gained so much number of subscribers in from that video. We have gained so much of views as well as our watch time from that video, and of course in 2 days we completed almost 200 plus views, and that's something greatest on my channel, and I just can't believe it, and this is all because of you guys, so thank you so much for that. And for my mom's birthday was again a small vlog, but what should I do? I think I'm not a good vlogger, but it's okay. And if you like the video, if you like the decoration ideas, because I've not copied this from Pinterest or any other channel or app or anything, so yeah, these are our own ideas. And if you like it, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog or styling video or any kind of video. Let's go then.